Hello everyone. In my last discussion, heterocyclic compounds part 3, we have and some interruption in the video at last. That's why I feel sorry for that. Now, once again, I start my discussion where the part 3 video ends, in which I want to tell if there are 3 sigma bonds, then there is sp2 hybridized. Because of sp2 hybridization, we form sigma bonds. So that's why here and here have 3 sigma bonds. That's why all the carbon and nitrogen atom are sp2 hybridized. This we can see when we see the nitrogen atom. In these 3 sp2 hybridized orbitals, 1 electrons each, one for this, one for this, one for this. That's why 3 sigma bonds form. And unhybridized orbital, which are conjugation with pi bond, lone pair, single, double. That's why this lone pair present in unhybridized orbital. Again, if we see the electronic configuration of carbon, in carbon again 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals, 1 electron each, and here 1 electron each unhybridized p orbital, pz orbital, because here is pi bond. Pi bond is formed by the overlapping of p orbitals parallelly, one for this carbon, one for this. That's why they form pi bond here. The same case is here, because carbon has an electronic configuration of 6, nitrogen have a 7, one more than carbon, which goes to pz. Understood? When we discuss the configuration of, when we discuss the molecular orbital structure of furan, here we can see here 3 sigma bonds, here 3 sigma bonds, here 3 sigma bonds, because in every carbon there is hydrogen. Here is also sigma hydrogen bond, but here you can see 2 sigma bond. But if delocalization is possible, if there is a delocalization of electron takes place, it is possible only when all the carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized. That's why this oxygen is also sp2 hybridized. Then 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals of oxygen atom, in one electron for sigma bond formation, in second sp2 hybrid orbital 2 second electron, each 1 electron in second orbital, and third sp2 hybrid orbital contains a lone pair which lies in the plane of the ring. जो रिंग का प्लेन है उसी में वो एग्जिस्ट करेगी. You can see this carbon has the same arrangement of electrons as we see in pyrrole, or we can see in thiophene, we can see in pyridine. Wherever is carbon atom is a part of aromatic system, he has the same hybridization, sp2 hybridization, 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals and 1 unhybridized orbital, all have 1 electron each. Now in oxygen we have, see, the electronic configuration is 8. That's why in 2p there are 4 electrons. 1 electron is excited from 2s to 2p. Then it comes to which orbital? pz. Why? Because you know this lone pair is conjugation with pi electrons. If this lone pair have to go in conjugation with the pi orbital, then the lone pair should be in unhybridized p orbital. That's why this lone pair is a part of unhybridized p orbital. What about this? This lone pair is a part of sp2 hybrid orbital. One here is one, this one. तो ये ऑक्सीजन का 2 आ गया, ये लोन पेयर दिस, तो दिस इज आल्सो sp2, this is also sp2, this is lc sp2. sp2 to sp2 hybrid orbital of oxygen atom form 2 sigma bond with 2 carbon sp2 hybrid orbital, and one remain lying in the plane. This one, this will see here. This is a sp2 hybrid orbital lying in plane, which is responsible for basic character of oxygen atom, which we see on my later discussion. Or here is the unhybridized p orbital. I hope you understand it better. If you have any query, you can contact me freely anytime on my WhatsApp number. Again, the next topic is the order of aromaticity. The order of aromaticity: thiophene is the more aromatic than pyrrole. Pyrrole is more aromatic than furan. We discuss it in my earlier discussion in heterocyclic part, either 1 or 2, because thiophene has a resonance hybrid of 10 resonating structures. Here 5, here 5. The more resonating structures, it means the more aromatic character. That's why thiophene is more aromatic than pyrrole and furan. When we compare the pyrrole with furan, we see in furan oxygen atom. Oxygen atom is more electronegative than nitrogen atom in pyrrole. That's why furan is less aromatic than pyrrole. The reason: because of high electronegativity, the lone pair delocalization from oxygen atom is lesser in compared to nitrogen atom. We see this by also the resonance energy. Resonance energy of thiophene 29, pyrrole have 21 kilocalorie per mole, and furan has 16 kilocalorie per mole. These are less aromatic than benzene. In benzene, the aromatic energy or resonance energy is 36 kilocalorie per mole. This decreasing order of aromaticity also so justified by Diels-Alder reaction, DAR. Thiophene do not give DAR reaction, because in Diels-Alder reactions, what is Diels-Alder reaction? This is called 4+2 cycloaddition, which takes place between 4 pi system. It means diene, double, single, double, and alkene system, 1 pi with the 2 pi electrons. It means dienophile. So it's exists between diene and dienophile and forms an addition compound, you can say. Because of high aromaticity, the lone pair in thiophene is delocalized with the pi electrons of carbon atom. The more aromaticity of thiophene is justified by this do not give DAR reaction. Pyrrole also do not give DAR reaction. However, it forms a di-substituted product. You can see this, but it does not give DR. While furan give DR, it means it has less aromatic character. Means less aromaticity means there is a delocalization of this electron is lesser, because oxygen has high electronegativity, so it want to bind its lone pair. Therefore, it is less available for delocalization of pi electrons. It means this will exist as in this way. It means double, single, double. Double, single, double means diene character. If it has a sufficient tie character, so then it reacts with dienophile to form addict. So this reaction shows furan have a less aromaticity than pyrrole and thiophene. Thank you very much.